Hello student and welcome to my next video. Today we will learn from the lesson number 2 fractions and decimals exercise 2.1. Now in question number 1 some subtraction and addition sums are given. Before doing any addition or subtraction we have to check whether their denominator is same or not. See here, all the denominators are different. So in that case, you have to find out the LCM first and make the denominator same and then add them. Let's solve few examples. So here I have written 2 minus 3 upon 5. Now since nothing is there below the 2, it means there is 1. So we can write it 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. Now the LCM of these two numbers is 5. Whenever 1 and any other numbers come, the LCM is that other number. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now let's make the denominator same. My first fraction is 2 upon 1. So I have written 2 upon 1. We should get the denominator as 5. So 1 multiplied by 5, we get the answer 5. Since we have multiplied the denominator by 5, we have to multiply the numerator also by 5. Then only it will remain equivalent. So 2 into 5 is 10. So I got my first number 10 upon 5. Now let's convert 3 upon 5. Let's make the denominator 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 gives me the answer 5. 3 into 1 gives me the answer 3. So 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now see, the denominators are same. So I have written the denominator one time. You will never add or subtract denominator. When they become same, you have to write the same number. Now let's do the subtraction of numerator. It is 10 minus 3. I have written 10 minus 3. The answer is 7 upon 5. Okay. Let's see one more example. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Here also the denominator is not same. So let's find LCM. Some of you can directly find the LCM, but here I am showing how to find out the LCM. So I have written 5 and 7. You have to find out the LCM of denominator. So now 5 1 the 5, 7 as it is, 7 1 the 7. So my LCM is equal to 5 into 7, which is equal to 35. Now let's make the denominator same. So my first fraction is 3 upon 5. My denominator should be 35, which is equal to LCM. So 5 multiplied by 7 gives me 35. Since I have multiplied the denominator by 7, I have to multiply the numerator also by 7. So here it is 3 into 7 becomes 21 upon 35. The next fraction is 2 upon 7. So to make the denominator 35, I have to multiply 7 by 5. So similarly I will multiply 2 by 5. So I got 10 upon 35. Now see, both the denominators are same. So I have written the fraction 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. Since the denominator is same, I have written 35 in the denominator. We will never add or subtract denominator. Now let's do the addition of numerator. 21 plus 10. It gives me the answer 31 upon 35. So same way you can find out the other sums. I am not going to solve it. You try on your own. Now see, somewhere there are 3 numbers addition. So same procedure you have to follow. See, the denominator is not same. So find out the LCM of these 3 numbers and then add the numbers. Now here in question number 6 and 7 you can see some mixed fractions, addition and subtraction. So it doesn't make any difference. First you convert them into improper fraction and then make the denominator same by finding out the LCM and then add them. Same here, you convert them first into improper fraction, make the denominator same by finding out the LCM and then subtract. Now in question number 2 also, you have to find out the descending order. So before finding out the descending order, you have to make the denominator same. So same way, just we have seen in question number 1, you have to follow the same method in question number 2, that you have to find out the LCM of the denominator, make the denominator same and just see which number is greater. You have to write in descending order, you have to write the greater number first, then smaller and then the smallest. Okay. So question number 1 and 2. Let's move towards the question number 3. It is written that it's a magic square. The sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? We have to find out whether this square is a magic square or not. Before that, students, do you know what is the meaning of magic square? The meaning of magic square is addition of all the rows like this, addition of all the columns and addition along the diagonal. See, my pen is moving. These are the diagonals. So the addition of rows, addition of columns and addition along the diagonal should be the same. Now let's check whether it is same or not, whether it is a magic square or not. Now here I have added few rows, few columns and few diagonals. So just check, after adding all the denominators are same, so you don't have to take the LCM. After adding them, the answer is 15 upon 11. So all the rows, all the column addition and all the diagonals is equal to 15 upon 11. Therefore, since the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same, it is a magic square. Yes, we have proved that it is a magic square. Now let's see the question number 4. A rectangle sheet of paper is 12 1 upon 2 cm long and 10 2 by 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. See, it is a rectangular sheet of paper and we have to find the perimeter. The length and the breadth is given. So here I have made a diagram of one rectangular sheet whose length is 12 1 by 2 cm and breadth is 10 2 by 3 cm. So now let's find out the perimeter. So now length is equal to 12 1 by 2. Let's convert it into improper fraction. How to convert it into improper fraction? It is 2 multiplied by 12. You have to multiply these two numbers and add the numerator. So it is 2 into 12 plus 1 by 2. Denominator will remain as it is. So 2 12s are 24 plus 1 is equal to 25 by 2. So I got the length which is equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Now breadth is 10, 2 by 3. Let's convert it also into improper fraction. Just remember, whenever there is a mixed fraction, you first convert it into improper and then do the required operations. So here it is 3 by 10, 3 into 10 plus 2. So 3 into 10 plus 2 gives me the answer 32 by 3. So my breadth is 32 by 3 centimeter. Now let's write down the formula of finding out the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now write down the values below the formula. Now 2 will remain as it is. Length is 25 by 2 and breadth is plus 32 by 3. Now see, we have to solve the bracket first, but the denominator is not same. So let's find LCM. So let's find the LCM of 2 and 3. So 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3, which gives the answer 6. Now let's make the denominator same. So I have taken the first fraction 25 by 2. Now since our LCM is 6, we have to make the denominator 6. So 2 multiplied by which number gives us the 6? So 2 by 3 gives me the answer 6. Since I have multiplied the denominator by 3, I have to multiply the numerator also by 3. So 25 into 3 gives me the answer 75. Same here I have written the next fraction. I have to make the denominator 6. So I will multiply 3 by 2. It gives the answer 6. Since denominator is multiplied by 2, I have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So 32 into 2 gives me the answer 64. So now I have made the denominator same. Now let's continue. Again I have written the same values in the formula 2 into length plus breadth. Now since the denominator is same, I have to add the numerator. My final answer is 139 by 6. Now let's multiply 2 into 139 by 6. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So my final answer is 139 by 3. Since the answer is into improper fraction, we have to convert it into proper fraction. I will show you the method of converting improper into mixed fraction. So 139 divided by 3, it gives me the answer 46 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So I will write 3 into the denominator, remainder I will write in numerator, and 46 will become the whole number. So 139 by 3 is equal to 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of rectangle is equal to 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Now let's move ahead with question number 5. One figure is given for the question number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Can you see the triangle ABE? And the rectangle BCDE. BCDE. You have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle and perimeter of this triangle. Again they are asking one more question. Whose perimeter is greater? Now let's solve this. Perimeter of triangle is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. That means addition of all the sides. My side 1 is 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5. Now see, you must have noticed that these two are mixed fraction. So let's convert them into improper fraction. Just now I have showed you how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction in the previous sum. So after converting them, I got the final sides as 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. Now see, before adding all the denominators are different. So let's find out the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So the LCM of these three numbers is equal to 20. Now let's make the denominator same. So first fraction I have taken 5 by 2. My final product is 50 by 20. 11 by 4 becomes 55 by 20. And 18 by 5 becomes 72 by 20. Okay. So now add them. After adding them, I got the final answer 177 by 20. Since it is a improper, I have to convert it into mixed fraction. In the previous sum, I have shown you this method also, how to convert improper into mixed fraction. So my perimeter of triangle is 817 by 20 centimeter. Now let's find out the perimeter of rectangle. Now formula for the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 2, 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. You can see these figures into the diagram. So let's convert this into improper fraction. So 2 into 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Here again the denominator is not same. So I have made the denominator same by finding out the LCM. So it is 2 into 47 by 12 after adding these two numbers. I am not showing here the method of finding out the LCM, but you have to show it on the same page. Put one line on the right hand side and you can find out the LCM there. Now since my final answer is 47 by 6, which is a improper fraction, I have converted it into mixed fraction. So my perimeter of rectangle is equal to 5 by 6 centimeter. Now we have to compare whose perimeter is greater. So this is my perimeter of triangle and this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now before comparing, just see their denominators are not same. So again you have to make the denominator same by finding out the LCM. So let's find the LCM of 20 and 6. After finding the LCM of 20 and 6, I got it 60. Let's make the denominator same. So first fraction I have taken 177 by 20 multiplied by 3 gives me the denominator 60 and numerator will become 531. 47 by 6 gives me the denominator 60 and numerator 470. Now since the denominator is same, it is very easy to compare. This is the perimeter of triangle and this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now see, the perimeter of triangle is bigger. So therefore we conclude here that perimeter of triangle is bigger. Now let's see question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 by 10 centimeter wide. So how much should the picture be trimmed? Let's solve this. Now the current size of picture is 7 by 5, that is equal to 38 by 5 centimeter. To fit in the frame, it should be less than 7 by 10. That is the condition they have given. That is 73 by 10. I have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now let's subtract to find out how much we have to trim the frame. So here I have written 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Now see, again the denominators are not same. So let's find LCM. So after finding out the factors, we got the LCM which is equal to 10. So therefore I have taken the first fraction, made the denominator equal to LCM. It gives me 76 by 10 and I have taken the second fraction which is 73 by 10. It gives me 73 by 10. Now let's subtract 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. Since the denominator is same, I got the answer 76 by 73 by 10 gives me 3 by 10 centimeter. It means that the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter so that it can fit into the frame. Now let's see question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share by how much? Let's solve this. Since the share eaten by Ritu was 3 by 5, it means they have made equal parts. Total parts of an apple is equal to 5. And out of that 5 parts, Ritu ate 3 by 5. Now 3 by 5 plus Somu's share, which is equal to 5 by 5. Means what? Total number of parts made of an apple was 5 and all the parts were eaten by Ritu and Somu. Now here 3 by 5 part was eaten by Ritu. So how much part was eaten by Somu? So 5 plus what is equal to 5? In the denominator should be the same. So here it will come 5. Now 3 plus what is equal to 5? So the answer is 2. So Somu must have eaten 2 by 5 part of an apple. Therefore Somu ate part of an apple is equal to 2 by 5. Now let's compare. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part and Somu ate 2 by 5 parts. So therefore, Ritu had the larger share. Now, by how much? Let's find out by how much. So, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 gives me the answer 1 by 5. So, therefore, Ritu, she has the larger share by 1 by 5 than Somu. Now, let's see the last one, which is the question number 8. Michelle finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. So, who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So, let's solve this. Now, time taken by Michelle was 7 by 12 hours and time taken by Vaibhav was 3 by 4 hours to complete the picture. Now, before comparing who took the longer time, we have seen the denominators are not same. So, let's find LCM to make them like fractions. So, LCM of 12 and 4 is equal to 12. Now, let's make the denominator same. So, first fraction is 7 by 12. I have converted into 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 gets converted into 9 by 12. So, 7 by 12 is the time taken by Michelle and 9 by 12 is the time taken by Vaibhav. Now, you can easily compare these two times. So, now, therefore, Vaibhav worked longer time and Michelle finished his painting or coloring before Vaibhav. Now, by how much? Let's see, 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. Now, the denominator is same, so I got the answer 2 by 12. Let's reduce it more, so it becomes 1 by 6 hours. How? These two numbers are divided by 2. Can be easily divided by 2. So, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So, finally, I got the answer 1 by 6 hours. So, therefore, it was longer by fraction 1 by 6 hours. So, I hope you must have understood the exercise 2.1. Let's meet with the next exercise in our next video. Thank you.